Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maureen. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I have another FERRAGAMO haul. As you've probably seen, this is probably one of my favorite brands, so very excited to share the things that I got. Let's just get right into it. That I got was a pair of shoes called the Witty style heel, and so it's in this mascarpone color. This color is a little bit more of an off-white shoe. I was really excited when I saw this in store. I've been seeing this style for a little bit, but they had it in some different colors that I already had, and I was like, wow, I really hope that they come out with a white version essentially. But in this week, and I saw that they had them in white in my size, which is always very exciting. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I have a smaller foot, so it's very rare for me to find my size shoe in a store. I typically have to order it, so I was very excited to see this. This color is more of an off-white creamy color, which I love. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I do have another bag that matches this color, so they're gonna go really well together, and I like the gold detailing because a lot of my like cream based outfits that I would typically wear do have gold. It's just really nice how it ties all in. I've been looking for an off-white shoe for a while now. I used to have a different pair from a different brand that I lost in Hurricane Ian. It's been almost 4 years on the hunt for looking for this type of style of shoe, so I was very excited about that. The last item, which I'm really excited about, is getting my first ever exotic bag. It is a beautiful Croc. Let me show you guys. It is this beautiful black Croc. It's like this beautiful shiny sheen to it. I don't know how well it picks up on camera, but it's absolutely stunning. I've been loving the wristlet style. If you guys have seen my previous FERRAGAMO video, you would know that I recently got another wristlet in a red color, and I just thought having this black and a Croc, I feel like black Croc will never go out of style, and it's something that I can use for so many different occasions and nice events. Very excited about this. Briefly explain the sizing and everything. This is, you know, a snap close. It's magnetic as well, so that's really nice. So it'll close automatically. The wristlet, so you can wear it like this, or you can, you know, hold it like this. It also holds a lot in here as well. I love FERRAGAMO small bags because they do hold a decent amount of items. There's nothing worse to me when I'm getting a new bag and really can't fit anything in it. I just don't feel like that's super practical. Lots that you can put in here. For me, I'm typically able to put in my phone, you know, my card holder, keys, oil waters, like a lip color, everything, and that's still plenty of room. So I like the practicality of this bag. Like I said, super excited that this is my first like exotic. I'm really happy that they had this. There's not very many right now. I absolutely love this. Very excited to get a lot of good use out of this, and just a bag that I'll have for the rest of my life. So that is everything from this haul. I know it is a short one, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Still some very special items that I was super excited about. And so thank you guys, like I said, for watching. Please like this video, comment down below, what is your dream bag? Let me know in the comments below, like I said, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.